Hey guys, Kelly Nutt with Zippkool Cooling Gear. Today I'm going to show you our Zippkool seat cooler. Hey, the installation is really easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, we've got this tail right here that goes in between the seat. The installation is pretty critical, so make sure it gets in there. Once it's in there, that way it won't slide out when you're getting out. Up here, got a latch that goes over the, clip it around your neck rest. You can connect it with the USB port or the cigarette lighter that comes with it. I'm going to connect the USB to the cigarette lighter and then into my cigarette lighter. Okay, there's two power levels. This is the on off, one power, all the way is two power. The fan is here. You're going to get flow through this whole seat, here and here. Lastly, when you get out, make sure the seat cooler stays in the seat. You don't want it out here where you slam the door on it. All right, that concludes the video. You can reach us at www.zipkool.com.